Number 5. Humboldt's Secret Golden Tree, Explosive Growth, Yield Increaser, Dying Plant Rescuer, Use on flowers, roses, fruit, vegetables, tomatoes, organic. Golden Tree can be used in conjunction with other companies' nutrients. Golden Tree helps increase crop yields and quality of harvests. Golden Tree activates enzymes involved in plant growth and helps increase the rate of photosynthesis. Number 4. Kelpie. Kelpie is a natural, organic seaweed extract derived from Norwegian kelp, Ascophyllum nodosum. Fox Farms product is a liquid concentrate suitable for fruits, vegetables, lawns, gardens, flowers, and hydroponic applications. Seaweed extract is a plant biostimulant that can be sprayed on the foliage, applied to the soil, or added to the hydroponic recirculating nutrient reservoir. Number 3. Fox Farm Grow Big Liquid Concentrate Fertilizer. Organic-based concentrate made up of a comprehensive blend of major, minor, and micronutrients. Grow Big was designed to promote spectacular growth. Growers find it optimal for roses, tomatoes, veggies, flowers, fruits, herbs, and lawns. Added earthworm castings and Norwegian kelp helps this special brew to encourage sturdier, healthier stems and leaves. Number 2. Neptune's Harvest Fish Seaweed Blend Fertilizer. Always shows increased vegetable production. Lawns are more drought tolerant, more disease resistant, thicker and always dark green in color. Tulips and flowers show bigger blooms and more longevity. Rose canes thicken and respond well. Pests such as aphids are deterred. Flowers and foliage will be stronger and more colorful. Blooms will be more plentiful. Best plant food today is OceanSolution 2-0-3. Contains the most nutrients of any plant food. Liquid organic fertilizer for gardens, landscapes, hydroponics certified organic. Complete plant nutrition. All 90 macro, micro, trace, and ultra-trace mineral nutrients. More blooms, greener lawns, bigger yields, and better tasting plants. Restores depleted minerals in soils and plants. Non-toxic, safe for children and pets.